Hey lovely people, and welcome back to another hair video featuring my mom as always. I hope you guys are having an amazing day today. So in today's video, we're doing a relaxer retouch and like a soft flat iron look. So what I'm doing here, as you can see, I am applying some relaxer, chemical relaxer, just a little bit above the scalp and then a little bit onto the new growth that she does have. Now she does have a lot of new growth, but once I work it through, I'm going to pull it out to the rest of the new growth that she has going on. Now, if you are not a professional and you are unsure of how to utilize chemicals, I suggest seeking a professional to assist you with that. Also, I try to convince my mom to not get a relaxer, but this is her choice. And if done correctly, everything is cool. And so, and she doesn't get relaxed often either. So once we've applied the relaxer and washed it out, we apply the not the leave-in, but the yellowing out conditioner. Then we rinse that out. Now we are applying the leave-in conditioner. And after the leave-in conditioner, I am applying like a cream base and like a, a heat protectant. Then I'm going to go ahead and go in and blow dry her hair with a paddle brush. One, because my little toddler lost the comb nozzle to my blow dryer, but that's okay. I like the paddle brush method. So once we blow dried her hair, we're going to go in and trim her ends. Now her ends really did not look that bad. And so we're not really going to trim off that much, but we just still want to make sure that it's kind of even as possible. So how I go in and kind of even out a trim, I start from the bottom. I part from ear to ear and kind of make sure that that is even. And I pin this hair up and make sure her head is straight, because you don't want to try to trim when the head is bent over, because it'll kind of be uneven. So I start from the middle. That's how I do it. That's how I was taught in cosmetology school, and that's well over 15 years ago. And you just go from side to side, because it kind of acts as a guide for you. And so it works for me, and I just kept doing it. And so it's pretty even to my liking. And once I do that, I just work my way up over the entire head. And this is the result that we came up with. So once we've trimmed the hair, then we're going to go ahead and go in with flat ironing it. I'm sorry. And so, do you all remember this type of flat iron, curling iron tool here? It's kind of old school, I think, but this is something that she had. So, and it did give us the effect that we were going for, which was a very soft look. Y'all, her hair is so pretty. My mom is a very simple lady. She doesn't like a whole lot of different things. And so this suits her very, very well. So she's almost 70 years old, and she's nearing 70. And so this works well for her. And so this is a complete ending result of our style for today. Our relaxer retouch and a soft flat iron look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.